How to easily transfer Housecoin to Trust Wallet. You want to store your Housecoin safely in Trust Wallet. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open Trust Wallet and tap the plus icon at the top to add a new token. Search for Housecoin. If it doesn't appear, tap Add Custom Token. Now choose the correct network. Usually it's Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain depending on where your Housecoin is based. Paste the Housecoin contract address. You can find it on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or the official Housecoin website. Fill in the name, symbol, and decimals if they are not autofilled. And once added, copy your Trust Wallet receiving address for the same network. And then next go to the wallet or exchange where your Housecoin is currently held. Start a withdrawal or send operation. Paste your Trust Wallet address and confirm the network matches. Now enter the amount of Housecoin you want to send and confirm the transfer and wait for a few minutes. Once confirmed, Housecoin will appear in Trust Wallet under your token list. And that's it. Your Housecoin is now securely in Trust Wallet. Thanks for watching.